Welcome to Lesson 1 of Model 4, Course Summary. Today, we will take a step back and review the extensive journey we have embarked on throughout this course. We will revisit the essential concepts, discussions, and insights from each model to solidify your understanding and readiness for the final exam. In our first model, we laid the groundwork by exploring the basics of artificial intelligence. We start with the definition of AI, moved through key terminology, and dived into core concepts that drive AI technologies. We discussed the significance of learning AI, its real-world applications across various sectors, and even debunked some common myths about AI, clarifying the true capabilities and limitations of these technologies. Model 2 took us into the world of generative AI, where we explored how AI can create and innovate. We introduced you to the fundamentals of generative AI and its various models, including GANs, VAEs, and more. A significant focus was placed on the large language models like GPT-3 or GPT-4, which exemplify the cutting-edge capabilities of AI in generating human-like text. We reviewed their practical applications and discussed the transformative potential of generative AI in industries such as media, arts, and more. In Model 3, we turned our attention to the future, examining emerging trends and advancements that are shaping the next phase of AI development. We analyzed how AI is impacting businesses across industries, improving efficiency, and driving innovation. We also tackled the critical topic of AI ethics, emphasizing the importance of responsible AI practices. Finally, we highlighted the expanding career opportunities within the AI field, detailing the skills necessary to excel in this evolving landscape. As we recap the vast array of topics covered in this course, remember that each model was designed not only to educate, but also to inspire you to engage further with AI. Whether you are looking at AI as a field of study, a career path, or a tool for business innovation, the knowledge you have gained here is a solid foundation. Thank you for dedication and engagement throughout this course. As we move towards the final exam, take this time to reflect on all you have learned. Review the materials and prepare to showcase your understanding of artificial intelligence. See you in the next lesson for our final exam.